morning everyone. Today I Anshika Rana from class 7th Lotus is going to tell you about some smart word, their meanings, their root words and some example syntaxes. Smart word number 1 is swarmed. Swarmed means drowning or flooding, but Swarmed is often used in the context of work, like I am swarmed with work, I have too much work to do, I have been swarmed with the work this entire week, I had barely had time to breathe. Now look at the root of this word, swamp. Swamp is a piece of wetland, and if somebody steps in the wrong place of the swamp, they could easily drown. And the verb form of swamp is to sink. So here how you can use this verb. Smart word number 2 is catch 22. I am sure you heard this word before. Catch 22 means an impossible situation in which you do one thing unless you do the other, and you can't do the other because you haven't done the first. Let me give you some examples. Catch 22 situation is when you don't get a job without having work experience, but you don't get an experience until you get a job. Catch 22 was coined by Joseph Heller in his famous book of the same name, Catch 22. Another example of Catch 22 is you need a bank loan because you don't have enough money, but you won't get that bank loan unless you prove to the bank that you have enough money. Other words that you can use in place of catch 22 are paradox and dilemma. Smart word number 4 is atrocious. Atrocious means something really very bad, horrible, terrible, cruel, etc. Atrocious have Latin root called atrox, which means fierce, cruel, terrible. Some examples are prisoners are treated in an atrocious manner sometime in prisons. Other example is her dress and sense is so atrocious. Smart word number 5 is flummoxed. Flummox means to confuse someone so much that he forgot what to do. Now the confused tense is to be overused word. Instead of that, why don't you use flummoxed? For example, the dog was flummoxed looking at his own reflection in the mirror. Or I was flummoxed by some of the questions. Other words that can be used in place of flummoxed are puzzled, perplexed, or bewildered. Thank you and have a nice day.